Hey guys, I want to start off by saying thank you for clicking, thank you for watching. Can you please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video? This is a big improvement from how my basement kitchen used to look. I spent about 60 bucks on this makeover. I'm sure you can do it yourself at home. I got the countertop wrap. I got that off of Amazon for 30 bucks. And the stain and the clear coat, the poly clear coat, was about another 30 altogether. So I didn't get to record the process, but it was easy. If you have any basic painting skills, you can do this. I used a foam brush, the little foam brushes you'll see in the paint store. They're on like the handle is wooden. They're probably about this big. You can get the wide ones. I'll try to include a video on how the cabinets looked before this. They were horrible. This countertop, the wrap I got from, like I said, Amazon for 30 bucks. It's waterproof. I've had it on here for like 3 months, and it's like it's great. It's not peeling or anything. This is actually 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 pieces that I put together. You can't even really tell where the seams are. My counter was kind of messed up, so you can see little dents and stuff like that in it. Because I didn't fix it, it wasn't worth it to me. I just put it over, but it's still holding up very well. I'll try to put the Amazon link in the description. They have different designs of it, different colors. This is the stain I used. I painted it over a 2-day span because you got to give the stain a little while to dry. It takes very long to dry. Even I had a fan on it. This is the poly clear that I used. I got both of these from a local Benjamin Moore. I mean, I did a quick job. I'll try to include a picture of how it looked before. It was horrible. People walk in now and they thought I just got a whole new set, but I just spent the 60 bucks and just basically did a makeover in here. Thank you for watching. I'll try to add the pictures if I do have them.